Alright, I'm heading to Billy's shop. We're gonna do some running around, do some riding. I got the 360 camera in the backpack, but I only have one memory card that works for the 360 camera and this GoPro, so I have to go to the store and get another memory card so we can run both cameras at once. And I'm going to jump on the highway for the first time with this bike, which is probably not a good idea, but I want to try it. So speed limit's like 70 miles an hour on the highway. I'm gonna jump on that. It's only for a couple miles and then I'll take the early exit, but I just want to keep up with some cars on the highway. Why not? This dog's barking at me. He don't like the bike? Buddy, think again. Alright, this is like my first time going on the highway. Probably not a good idea, but it's only for like a few miles. So we're gonna do it anyways and see how well this thing keeps up in the wind, and hope to God there's no cops. That would not be good. Oh, it's already way windier out here than it was up there. Come on, baby. Oh my God, it's so windy. We're doing the damn thing though. There we go, get behind this guy. A little bit less wind. We're doing 64. Speed limit 70, but I'm just gonna cruise in the right lane with these guys. I got moped plates on this thing. We only got one more mile, so we're good. We're just cooking on the highway. Here's my exit. I made it. Been on the highway for a couple miles. First time ever. Time to get off. I would have took the highway all the way to Billy's shop, but that's pretty far, and I don't really know if I want to cruise this thing at 65, 70 for 10 miles or whatever. Those couple miles I just did are good enough, and now we get to go through town. So, kind of a win-win. Miles later, I make it.
So I don't know what happened from here on out, but the audio is just trash. I don't know if my microphone came unplugged a little bit or what the deal is, but from here on out it just sounds terrible. I don't know the issue. Ever since I got this GoPro microphone adapter and new microphone, it's just been nothing but issues so far. It worked good the first day I used it, but this one, it just, I don't know what is going on, but I'm going to try to fix it. So it just sounds terrible the rest of the video. I'm pretty butthurt about it, but I'm going to try to fix that, so I guess we'll just have to deal with it.
Really short. Pretty good one. I got bought that shirt so long time ago, but no, don't go over that. or not just the bike. What's the roller is? That's funny. I'm gonna try another and see what the car does. Yeah, still caught up.
Hey, get down.
Hi.
Hope you got a good screwdriver.
Hi. Hi. There's Frank, my favorite three-legged cat. Hi, buddy. Come see me. Come see me. Frankie. Hi, buddy.
You fucking prick.
The best three-legged kitty ever. Hi, Frankie boy. Girl? I think you're a girl. Either way, you're my favorite.
Alright, so basically I don't understand why my microphone wasn't working most of this day. I messed with some settings and it probably wasn't right, so this is me just basically explaining what the 360 camera is seeing versus what my GoPro and what I'm seeing. And then I post the video of what the 360 camera is seeing right after this clip, so you can see the difference on what I see versus what that camera sees and what it can do. And that's pretty much it. But the audio, I don't know what happened to it. I'm kind of butthurt about it. I'm going to figure that out because pretty much the whole day just sounds terrible through the GoPro with the camera and the microphone plugged in. I don't know if it came unplugged a little bit, but it's terrible. So that's basically what I'm doing, is just explaining what each camera sees and the results of each.
Shot this light. I messed up. gone?
Where did I start leaking at?
Like, right when you started to turn. Oh, yeah, it's pouring.
My drain plug! I literally beat the dog shit out of this thing.
I could see, like, right when you turned, I noticed the trail right there, so I had to fall, like, right up here. Right there.
Ow!
Oh, my God.
Think of how lucky I just got.
Yeah.
Just held this thing wide open as hard as we could all the way down 14.
Yeah, we were just doing, like, 70-something.
Let's put that again. It must have vibrated.
I seen the trail as soon as you started turning.
Self-oil changing, baby.
That's why when you turned, I saw your back tire, I was like, oh, God, it's going to slip.
That oil is mad.
Yeah, it is. Guess what that means? Time for an oil change. It lets you know. I thought it was gas at first when you first turned. I thought it was just the carb overflow.
I thought it might, because my,
Yeah.
the breather tube.
But I thought it was gas until I saw it coming out from the motor, and I was like, oh, no.
Literally just beat the snot out of that thing.
We were doing 76 right there.
Dude.
74, 76. Yeah. Good thing it happened there.
Dude, one more minute and I would have been fucking...
Because we just rode like miles. I ain't walking, you crazy? And we are done for the day.